Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change screen recording frame rate in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. First of all, in your phone, go to settings. Then go to additional settings. And here select screen recording. And here select frame rate. Already frame rate is set to dynamic. Automatically adjust the frame rate based on the content being recorded. Okay, if you would like to use standard frame rate, click on 30 fps. Okay, 30 frame per second. Okay, suppose if you would like to use cinematic frame rate, click on the second one, 24 frame rate per second. Okay, if you would like to use faster frame rate, click on third one, 15 fps, so that actions will be very fast. Okay, so in this way you can easily change screen recording frame rate in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.